Hello, fellow RVers. This is Gary and Sharon chilling out here in the chairs. We like looking at freedom. Where's freedom brought us? Well, we're in Texas at a city called Sonora, and we are at Stadium RV Park, mobile home, cabins. But if you click on that and it comes up Sonora RV Park, mobile home and cabins, it's the same thing.
Right.
Did I get all that right?
You did. It is Stadium RV Park, but when you go to the website, it says Sonora. And RV Park, mobile home, and cabin rentals.
Yes.
So it's the same.
So we did a little walkabout at this place. It's like a, I don't know what, it's a big circle thing here with different rows, and before you get here, this is like November 2nd right now, 2022. And before you get here, if you call the owner Mike, and he will meet you and escort you to your site. Make sure you get to your site okay. And at the current time, we pay $25 a night for here, and it's a full service site.
Cash or check.
Cash or check.
Cash or check.
Full service site. We got 50 amp, we got water, we got sewer, and he actually provides, as you saw in the walk around, sewer line, and there's a water hose there also if you want to use his water hose and hook it. So very nice guy. Goes the extra mile to make sure you're set up and got everything you need. Make sure you get here all right. So thumbs up for him. You didn't see me do the thumbs up because I was down there, but there we go. Our Verizon service here has been working pretty good. As yours?
Yes, no
Okay.
problem.
We haven't had any problem with the Verizon service here. We're very close to the town of Sonora. So if you need anything, post office is up the street. There's a little supermarket up the street. There's a Dollar General.
Fuel stops?
If you need fuel, there's fuel stops all around here. There's a self-serve Pilot, and also there's a Road Ranger Travel Center, which is real nice up the street. And there was a Love somewhere around here too. So there's fuel stops around here if you need diesel, or there's gas stations around here if you just use gas. So as far as the park itself goes, it's a bit of a no frills park, as far as there's no playground, there's no bathrooms, there's no showers, there's no trails, there's no bike riding or anything like that.
It's a place to park for the night.
Yeah, if you want to stay someplace a couple of days, if you want to park here a couple of days to run up and do the Sonora Caverns tour, which Sharon's actually doing tomorrow. We hear that's beautiful. So it's a place to park, take a tour of the caverns, and then maybe head on down the road in a day or two.
Or decorate for Christmas.
Yeah, or do whatever
That's what
you
we're
need
doing
to do
today.
here. Yeah. So nice park right here in the middle of the football stadium over there. I think that's why they called it Stadium RV.
Yeah, high school's
High
nearby.
school thing, yeah. So not a whole lot to talk about, but I think we've talked about enough, and there's enough here. Like I said,
there's not a whole lot to do here now. I don't know about if you travel out of the area, but in the immediate vicinity, there isn't a lot to do.
But it's close to I-10.
Yeah, it is
It's not
very
far.
close to I-10, and you do have a town with some, there's pizza up there, and it's not a very big town, but there's a few things.
Yep, this park was easy to get to, so no problems there.
Yeah.
No problems leveling. We just pulled in, the site was level. It's a rocky gravel site, but it works fine. No complaints.
No complaints. So we're just here for a couple of days, and then we're going to head on east.
Yep, keep it going east.
Interstate 10 is our friend, so you stay tuned and you'll hear some more about the Interstate 10 RV parks. A couple of them eventually we kind of wind off of it, I guess. But right now we're I-10 bound
East.
Heading east. I do want to say that the sites, you are assigned a site. I don't know if we said that or not.
Well, I said he guides you to your site.
Right, but you don't get to pick your site, and they're kind of scattered around, but it seems like the overnight folks are kind of right in this area. We just saw someone come in right there. So just so you know, they're kind of here and there and everywhere. And we saw a tarantula yesterday. So that was cool. My dog and I almost stepped on it.
But whatever site it is, he'll bring you to it.
Yes, he will.
Okay, and ours was a pull through. So we didn't even have to unhook if we didn't want to.
Nice, long pull through.
So this is Gary and Sharon with Rough Road RV Life. Like looking at freedom. Click like and subscribe. Follow us on our journey. Safe travels. Hope to see you one day. Take care.
Bye.